Welcome guys, my name is Jere and I'm a creative director at Demola Global. Congratulations for being selected to a Demola team. We know that the competition is high for the spots in teams and you will have a quite unique 8 weeks ahead. In this video, we will be discussing about what the 8 weeks is all about and what are the next steps. How can you prepare yourself on the upcoming kickoff? Let's take a look who we have involved in the project. You will be working as a part of multidisciplinary team, often multicultural as well. It gives you great assets and opportunities, yet creates some boundaries to be overcome. As you know, your project partner organization has intensive involvement in the project, and you will be working alongside with them, not for them. You will have also Demola facilitators around you, guiding you through the process. Facilitators will host few milestones for your project and help you through obstacles you might face in different phases of the process. The process, it's a combination of design thinking and foresight activities that enables you to learn about the project phenomenon, identify meaningful opportunities, and design appealing solutions to it. 8 weeks is divided into 3 phases. Project kicks off with discovery phase, where you will spend time on field, interviewing and observing different user groups, and getting familiar with the context and phenomenon your project is all about. Next phase is about ideation and building lots of low fidelity prototypes to be validated with the relevant user groups. In the end, there is refine and package phase where you have time to conceptualize your final solution further, build high fidelity prototype, and package the project deliverables. About the agreements. You will be signing a Demola project group agreement that is corresponding to the agreement we have signed with your project partner organization. The agreement is there to set the basic conditions like intellectual property right issues and confidentiality issues. We have another video where the agreement is gone through in detail. Please go and watch that one next. It gives you a comprehensive understanding about the terms before signing it. Next steps. How to prepare to the kickoff. So benchmark other industries. Try to understand how other industries have solved these same challenges your project is about, and bring those findings with you to the kickoff. Read Demola Experience Guide. Your facilitators have sent you the guide with detailed information on what happens during these 8 weeks. Have a look on that to get the overview understanding what is on ahead you. It probably also has answers to some of your questions you have in your mind at the moment. Do some self-exploration. Think what your expertise and personality can bring to your team. Watch the agreement tutorial video and go and sign the agreement in DocuSign. The link for signing the agreement will be sent to your email you have given to us. Okay guys, that's it for now. From now on, it's up to you and your team. You will have a great facilitator around you to guide you through the process, but the project work is up to your efforts. So show to the others what you can do. And if you have any comments or questions, please leave the comments below and I will get back to you. And I wish you all the best with your project.